Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, you have to either use a combination of Windows, Shift and S buttons simultaneously, so Windows, Shift, S, and you will see the bar at the top of your screen. Before we continue, I will also give you another way to enter this menu. Simply press print screen button that is located next to your power button, and this way you will also open the same bar. Now make sure that the snip option is selected right here, and this way you will have 4 options of the screenshot. Now if you want to take a rectangular screenshot, you just have to select an area that you want to take a screenshot of, and once you select it, the screenshot will be copied to the clipboard. If you click on the notification that you see in the you'll see in the top in the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see the preview of the screenshot, which you can edit using these quick tools that you see at the top of your window. You can also edit it in Paint by clicking right here. Once you edit it, you can save it by clicking the Save button. And if you want to find your screenshot, you gotta go to the File Explorer, Pictures, then open Screenshots folder, and then let me sort the screenshots by date. And the last screenshot taken will be the screenshot that you just saw. Now, the other way to take a screenshot is window screenshot. To take a window screenshot, you simply have to click on the window you want to take a screenshot of, and it will look somewhat like this. Now, the next way to take a screenshot is the full screen screenshot, and once you click this option, the screenshot will be taken immediately, and it will be the screenshot of your full screen. And the last option is the Freeform screenshot, and if you select Freeform screenshot, you'll be able to draw any shape that you like on your screen, and the screenshot will look somewhat like this, depending on the shape that you drew on your screen. And basically that's it. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.